Welcome. Today, we will practice Trataka Meditation, an ancient yogic technique that improves focus, inner peace, and mental clarity. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. Place a candle about an arm's length away at eye level. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and exhale completely. Now, gently gaze at the candle flame. Do not blink unless necessary. Simply observe the flame. Notice its light, its warmth, its stillness. Allow every breath to relax your body even more. With each inhale, you invite peace. With each exhale, you release stress. If thoughts appear, don't fight them. Just let them pass like clouds in the sky. And return your attention to the flame. The flame is calming your mind, sharpening your focus, awakening your inner awareness. Stay here in silence, breathing naturally, watching only the flame. Pause for 45 to 60 seconds with only soft music. Now, gently close your eyes. See the same flame glowing between your eyebrows. Hold that beautiful light in your mind. Feel its warmth filling your entire body with calmness, confidence, and positive energy. Take one slow, deep breath and gently exhale. Rub your palms together until they become warm. Place your palms softly over your closed eyes. Slowly lower your hands. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this peace, clarity, and focus with you throughout your day. Thank you for practicing Trataka.